want to introduce our homemade spring menu called Samgyeopsal, means 3-layered pig fat belly, and Ssam means wrap it with variety of vegetables. I'm going to start with marinating the pork, our simple and easy recipe, using Korean fermented soybean paste, and mix it with liquid cooking seasoning. When the paste was mixed thoroughly together, take a sliced pork and give it a gentle massage to each slice. That's all you need to prepare. How can it be simpler than this? You leave it in the freezer at least 5 hours to maximum 5 days. Depends on your freezer temperature. My recommendation is you plan a day before you want to eat it, so the pork can be fully marinated at least overnight. After a couple days, pan fry the pork in a high heat and serve with your favorite seasonal vegetables. When I put the samgyeopsal on the heated pan, the most satisfying part is hearing this sizzling noise. These are the spring vegetables I picked for the Ssam, which are lettuce, perilla leaves, chives, and Korean hot peppers. I am making Korean-style chive salad. For the chive salad dressing, I use Korean hot pepper flakes, soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar, which I use quite often for mostly every salad-based sauce, and add some sesame oil on top and rice syrup and mix it all up together. This Korean perilla leaves has the slight bitter herb taste that goes really well with the pork. The base of soft lettuce and freshly cooked rice on top neutralizes the whole savory and sour taste. The strong flavor of chive salad stimulates spring appetite. What is the best part to have Korean wrap? It's all about the full balanced flavor at once. And my choice of today's seasonal vegetables made my mouth full of spring. The secret of our home recipe was to pre-marinate this simple sauce that makes the plain pork to the next level. The soybean paste will not only remove all the unpleasant smell of pork, but the texture of the meat is soft and not greasy at all. It's one of my favorite pork style, perfect for this spring weather.
I have to say one thing about this. It's good.
Before I leave, watch me how I make my own Ssam. Thanks for watching. Bye.
That's a big one. so much fresher.
Before you eat your wrap, you should wash your hands. Bye.
I have to say one thing about this. It's good.